If you're like me, you don't like Eclipse IDE but still using it because it is a powerful tool for Java programming. Sometime, but you close some part or some sections in Eclipse IDE, but it's still pretty difficult to open it again, especially the package explorer right here. So in today's tutorial, I will help you with that. Hey, it's Anthony with Take a Sip back again. I teach Java tutorial on this channel, and if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell next to the subscribe button to receive the notification about all of my new videos. Okay, now let's go. In Eclipse IDE, there are a lot of part or a lot of section that you can accidentally close without your purpose. So for example, this page welcome and the package explorer. So for example, one day you close the package explorer by accident. For example, you close it and you don't know how to open the package explorer again. So the thing you need to do is you click the combo Alt Shift and Q. That will bring you the pop-up show view right here, and what you need to do is to choose the show view package explorer right here. Okay, and then the package explorer will pop up again. And if you don't want to click a lot of key like that, you can just go to window and click show view. So inside the list right here, you can find the package explorer right here, and then you click on that, and then the box will appear again. Okay, and if this tutorial is helpful, smash the like button and share if you think it can help someone you know. You could be anywhere in the world, but you are here today. I really appreciate that.